These channels are making thousands of dollars per month, in fact hundreds of thousands, by just uploading podcast clips, gaining millions of views. So I will show you step by step how I made 60 YouTube shorts for my podcast channel with only one AI tool, only one, in just 10 minutes with complete captions and no watermark, all for free. And the fun fact is, you don't even have to download the hours long podcast. You can do it directly like this. First of all, select a podcast channel you like, but I suggest going for one who uploads videos no longer than 1 hour, which you will find out later in this video. For now, I will select Full Send Podcast. Now go to Vidyo AI, sign up for free, just some personalization questions, and click on Paste URL. You will see an option to enter YouTube link. Copy the podcast link and paste it there. Click Start Import. Select the templates you like, and in less than 10 minutes or more, depending on your network connection, you will have 30 plus shorts with complete captions and titles and no watermark. It could have been 60, but only if there were more interesting topics in this podcast. Now those people who have a YouTube channel and struggle with making YouTube shorts know the real potential of this tool. Let's suppose you post one short per day. That means you already have 30 days of content in less than 10 minutes, and you can also upload this to TikTok and Instagram Reels. Next, click on Edit and Download. You can change its template, add subtitles, add a progress bar, and many more. I suggest just changing the templates only and downloading the shorts. Now one downside of this is you can only export the videos in only 720p, which is okay in case of podcast shorts, and import videos no more than 75 minutes every month with this free account, which is why I said to select podcasts for 1 hour only. As you can see, I can make 12 more shorts in this account, but I will have to paste a 12-minute long clip for it. But don't worry, I suggest buying the paid plan as it's better. But if you can't afford it for now, just make another Google account and sign up for free and make another 60 shorts, or wait for another month, and when your account minutes are available, make another 60 shorts then. I had already uploaded some YouTube shorts like this on my podcast channel, and you can see the number of views in just one day. In my next video, I will schedule all these 60 shorts for a whole month in just 2 hours and show you how you can do the same with another AI tool. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friends. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.